Let's make this delicious suya and crunchy chicken wings. This is so delicious. So I bought the meat section of the chicken wings and then wash it with baking soda and then allow it to dry. Now I'm just using the paper towel to just tap the excess water because I don't want water in the chicken wings, so that when I add the next thing that I wanted to add now, it will bind together. Now I'm going to add spices. This is my mixed herbs and added thyme, and then now I'm going to add cornstarch, or you call it corn flour, but that is cornstarch, and then mix them together. You want to have a crunchy feel, and that's why I'm doing it. So I'm using my hands to just mix them together, and then I'm going to fry. I do this method of chicken baking pepper in the pan to avoid it from sticking. So now when the water warm up, I am going to put everything inside here and allow it to fry. As soon as it fries to this stage, you see, and then you want to drain the oil and then pour them in the pan. Then I added the stock cube powder, and so I'll add the suya spice. This is my suya spice. It's a bomb. It's very delicious. The original suya spice. Add them in there and then turn them the way you want. And the next step that I'm going to do now is to add another one after flipping it over, and I'm going to put it in the oven. This is the second batch. This one I'm going to refry it. I'm going to refry it without adding those spices in it. And I added a little bit of salt and fry it, and it was crunchy. Guys, if you watch this video to the end, you are lucky. It's so delicious. Kindly try this recipe. You will love it. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.